The wind power industry has finally reached the point where it's past being revolutionary. It's not just the gateway to the future anymore, but a present-day sure-shot investment. And we are looking for talented people to further the energy revolution with us. Here at ENDIPREV, we offer you the chance to apply your knowledge and skills in a real-world setting, working on wind farms and turbines onshore and offshore, all around the globe. Traveling, setting foot on different continents and discovering new cultures will be as much a part of the job as the technical, hands-on tasks you'll be involved in. You will be welcomed to seasoned and highly supportive teams that will help you grow more experienced and resilient, offering as much guidance as freedom for you to test your own ideas and concepts. If you feel like taking on a life-changing adventure that will jumpstart your career, apply now at ENDIPREV. Let's go beyond energy together.